Good morning. Sunrise, 4th of August 2024. It is very smoky here upstairs. Ang galing kaya yan. Ay, nako. Sunrise. Happy Sunday. Happy Tabo Day is market day. I go to market. I'm hungry. I will buy. Saan kaya galing itong Smoky Mountains? That's the sunrise today. Thank you, Lord, for this new day. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Oh, daming ano. Malunggay. Malunggay. Flowers. Hindi naman ako niya marunong magluto. Okay? Look at the bird. Asan ka na ba? Nawala naman. Yun, lumipad. Can you hear the birds chirping? Yan ang masarap dito pagising. Parang wala akong nakikita dito. Ano? Tek-tele. Sino kaya yan ano na yun, nasusunog? Ito yata, Nelson siguro. See, look at this. Another one. This one, wow. Getting prettier. Double hibiscus. Okay. I think I have to replant. Haven't. Oh, let's see. I don't know which day it's already dead. I think it is already. Ito dito yata galing yung smoke from that there. There. That side. Smoke. Oh, there it is. Kay auntie. Okay, thank you.